Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, today we are going to revise about animals in danger. And most of the time you have heard about this word endangered animals. Endangered animals. Now children, today I am going to make you revise this topic, that is animals in danger, and will understand why these animals are getting endangered. So children, will start first. Now animals in danger, first of all, what are the animals which are in danger? Why animals are on at high risk of being extinct? See, there are few of the human activity which cause all these. Few of that is like due to for the setup of industry we required field, but due to large population we do not get field, and the people started cutting forest. When the forests are not there, how these animals are going to survive? Because that forest only serve natural habitat for them. But when we do not have that forest, where do they are going to survive? So that is very important. That is animals, this kind of an activity bring the animals in danger. Although they were like animals are utilizing the natural resources only. But if I talk about the natural resources that are also not uh, good for them, you can see the rivers, they are quite getting polluted and lot many things were there. So that they have to find it out that why these animals are getting into the danger. So animals are also getting on a high risk of being extinct, that they will be removed from the due to this all these cause. So here are few of the animals, those who are at high risk. Now animals which are at risk of being extinct are called endangered animal. First of all, this definition you all are going to learn, that animals which are at risk of being extinct. Now here we will understand what do we mean by extinct. Extinct मतलब जो गुम हो गया, which is not present, but they are at a risk of being extinct. ये गुम होने वाले हैं. So that's why we call them endangered, कि अभी ये खतरे में हैं and we have to save them. So that's why they are called endangered animals. Now let us read about some species which may become extinct if we do not try to save them. If we do not try to save them, these species will become extinct. Now, let us read about some species which may become extinct and if we do not try to save them. Now we are going to study about some of the species which are going to get extinct. So now first we will see this Bengal tigers. Bengal tigers are found in India. Not only in India, these Bengal tigers are also called Royal Bengal tigers, and they were found in Sundarban area, which I have told you earlier also, that Sundarban is a delta which is formed where Brahmaputra and Ganga, these two rivers met. Fine. And you all are aware of it, मैंने आपको बताया है बहुत बार, that our India is a land of different rivers. India is a land of different rivers. We found different rivers over there. And वो rivers जहाँ से भी pass करती हैं, they will provide fresh water for agriculture and all. और वो पानी जो है, if we'll start throwing industrial garbage in that river, तो क्या होगा? जस्ट लाइक दैट रिवर विल बिकम डर्टी, रिवर भी उतनी ही खराब हो जाएगी, डर्टी हो जाएगी. एंड देन द एनिमल्स, दोज हु आर सर्वाइविंग ऑन, अब उनके पास तो आरओ नहीं है ना, हमारे पास घर में आरओ है, तो हम वो पानी फिल्टराइज करके, हम फिल्ट्रेट करके उसको, फिल्ट्रेशन के बाद वी कैन यूज़ इट. बट एनिमल्स के पास आरओ नहीं है, तो व्हाट दे रिक्वायर्ड कि उनको एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट मिले कि दे कैन सर्वाइव एंड लिव हैप्पीली. तो अभी ये रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर्स जो हैं, रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर्स विच इज़ आवर नेशनल एनिमल ऑल्सो, दे फाउंड इन इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, चाइना, म्यांमार एंड भूटान. ये these are the neighboring countries of India. Not only in India, Bengal tigers were found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Myanmar and Bhutan. Now they are threatened. Okay, अभी तो मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक रीज़न बताया that why they are getting endangered and why they are getting extinct, they are going to be extinct. क्यों है ये? बिकॉज वी रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड, एग्रीकल्चर करना है, इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करना है, वी रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड. और हमारे रहने की जगह पे तो इतना पॉपुलेशन इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है दैट वी डू नॉट गेट अ सफिशेंट स्पेस टू लिव. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको हम कट करते जा रहे हैं एंड देन वी आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर spaced. So here what we will do, that Bengal tigers, why they are getting extinct? Because they are threatened by hunting. जो लोग, although it is illegal, but still few of the industries, they were making different products of their skin. ये illegal है, that's why it was banned by the government right now. बट पहले क्या था कि डिफरेंट जो इंडस्ट्रीज थी, दे वर मेकिंग बेल्ट, they were making bags, they were making different things from the skin of Royal Bengal tigers. Royal tigers की skin से they were making different things. So for making those different things, they were hunting. वो उनको हंट करते थे, उनका शिकार करते थे and they were killed. So then you don't believe that the number of tigers were getting less than 100. 100 से भी कम हो गया इनका नंबर. And then our government woke up. हमारी गवर्नमेंट जो है, जो लास्ट मोमेंट पे जग गई, एंड देन दे फाइंड इट आउट कि नो, द नंबर ऑफ टाइगर्स इज गेटिंग लेस. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू सेव देम. अब सेव करने के लिए नॉट ओनली देयर स्किन, देयर स्कल, देयर बोन्स, विस्कर्स, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ टाइगर वर यूज टू मेक डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स. और इसका जो फॉरेन मार्केट है, फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में, दे विल बी गेटिंग गुड प्राइस ऑफ दैट. सो दे कीप ऑन हंटिंग दीज टाइगर्स, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, इन अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो. फाइन, आपकी जो नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ हैं उसमें भी इनको हंट किया करते रहे, एंड द नंबर ऑफ टाइगर्स विल बिकम क्वाइट लेस, स्पेशली इन सुंदरबन डेल्टा वेयर दे डोंट गेट दैट particular type of habitat. क्यों? क्योंकि जो रिवर्स हैं दे विल बी पॉल्यूटेड बाय इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट, वो इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट की वजह से पॉल्यूट हो गया है। तो जो उनको एक नेचुरल हैबिटेट और ग्रीनरी विच दे विल बी गेटिंग, दैट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल ओवर देयर, सो दे आर गेटिंग एक्सटिंक्ट। अभी सुंदरबन डेल्टा का है, दैट इज़ इन वेस्ट बंगाल, और वेस्ट बंगाल में जहाँ पे ब्रह्मपुत्रा एंड गंगा रिवर मेट एट दैट प्लेस, वहाँ पे मेट करने के बाद, वहाँ पे मिलने के बाद ही दे वर एंटरिंग इन बांग्लादेश। ओके, सो ये हो गया आपका बंगाल टाइगर्स, एंड वी कॉल्ड इट रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर्स ऑल्सो, एंड बंगाल टाइगर इज आवर national animal. Now we'll come to second animal which is getting extinct, and this animal is quite intelligent, that is chimpanzees. Now if I'll move to the history, अगर हम ये बोलें कि humans are formed, मतलब humans will be के एंसेस्टर्स की बात करें, देन चिंपैंजीज आर द एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. नाउ चिंपैंजीज आर वेरी मच लाइक ह्यूमंस and care for their children for years. Now they are endangered. Now chimpanzees ki, if we'll find it out the activity of chimpanzees, in fact in the intelligence also chimpanzees are quite similar to human beings, quite similar to human beings. They are quite similar to human beings, and they are such kind of intelligence that they were growing their children just like human being. जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या होता है कि बच्चे का प्रॉपर केयर एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग दे वर डूइंग, सेम सिमिलरली दीज चिंपैंजीज आर ऑल्सो टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एंड उसका प्रॉपर केयर एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग दैट वाज डन बाय चिंपैंजीज. So in the case of, in the form of intelligence, they are quite intelligent. In fact few of the vaccines भी जो आपकी developed होती हैं, they were be tested on chimpanzees, that what reaction will be given if that vaccine will be given to human being. So that chimpanzees. अब एक ये reason जो है, first reason I have told you कि ड्यू टू लेस फॉरेस्ट आर देयर, फॉरेस्ट कटिंग की वजह से वी डिड नॉट गेट, एंड दे वर थ्रेटन्ड बाय हंटिंग. शिकार करने से ये डर गए, और दे आर हंटिंग ऑल्सो. सो हंटिंग एंड लॉस ऑफ हैबिटेट, ये तो दो रीज़न है ही हैं, बट चिंपैंजीज वर they were undertaken by our government to do experiments also. चिंपैंजीज को पकड़ करके अपने पास लैब वगैरह में रखते हैं, and they were doing experiments on that. एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने का मतलब ये है कि they were not getting that sufficient kind of an environment where do they live and survive. तो they are also getting extinct. हो सकता है कि एक्सपेरिमेंट, ड्यूरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट they were getting die, उनकी डेथ हो जाती है या कुछ और प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. सो दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग थ्रेटन्ड बाय ऑल दीज एक्टिविटी. एक तो हंटिंग, शिकार करते हैं, शिकार करके या शिकार करके मारते ही नहीं हैं, सिर्फ देवर केप्ट इन केज, और डिफरेंट लैबोरेटरीज को सप्लाई किया जाता है, किसको, चिंपैंजीज को देते हैं. ओके, डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री, डिफरेंट मेडिकल फर्म्स, दे रिक्वायर्ड chimpanzees to do experiment. तो उनको ये जो different people है, those who are hunting and keeping them, जो पकड़ पकड़ के इनको रखते हैं, they were providing them with these chimpanzees. Actually you have seen the movie that is formed on chimpanzees. आपने वो movie भी देखी होगी, chimpanzees पे जो movie बनी हुई है, that is also quite interesting. वो भी बहुत interesting है. So that shows ki what kind of intelligence chimpanzees are having. Now we'll come to polar bear. Now the third endangered animal, that is polar bear. Now they are found throughout the Arctic region. They are found in Arctic region and spend most of their lives on the ice of the Arctic Ocean. Now again they are going to be at high risk. Why? Because due to climate change and illegal hunting. Illegal hunting is one of the reason, but along with that we have few more reasons also. Climate change means nowadays we are getting such kind of an environment, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है ड्यू टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से. अब ग्लोबल वार्मिंग क्या है, बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रीज़ हो गई हैं, बहुत सारे व्हीकल्स हो गए हैं, ट्रेन्स हैं, डिफरेंट ट्रक ट्रैक्टर, डिफरेंट व्हीकल्स फॉर देयर, एंड दे ऑल आर क्रिएटिंग पॉल्यूशन, क्योंकि सभी पेट्रोल डीजल इस पे चलते हैं. एंड व्हेन दीज फ्यूल आर बर्निंग इनसाइड द इंजन, तो क्या निकलता है, गाड़ी में से धुआं निकलता है. दैट धुआं इज क्रिएटिंग पॉल्यूशन, और वो पॉल्यूशन जब एनवायरनमेंट में जाता है, देन दैट पॉल्यूशन इज क्रिएटिंग एंड इंक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर ऑफ द क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट का टेम्परेचर क्या हो जाता है, रेज हो जाता है, बढ़ जाता है. सो दैट इज देयर, ये प्रॉब्लम आती है. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट क्या होता है कि जो पोलर बेयर है, वन हु इज लिविंग ओवर देयर, कहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, दे वर लिविंग इन आर्कटिक ओशन, आर्कटिक रीजन में रहता है. वहाँ पे दैट स्नो स्टार्टेड मेल्टिंग, अब बर्फ़ ही पिघल जाएगी, देन वेयर दे आर गोइंग टू सर्वाइव, बिकॉज वो दे वर सर्वाइविंग इन दैट स्नो ओनली. और इलीगल हंटिंग इज अगेन वन ऑफ द रीज़न. लोग इनको डिफरेंट चीज़ों के लिए देवर हंटिंग, इनको हंट किया जाता है एंड देवर यूज्ड. सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेन रीज़न. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स create such kind of a problem for polar bear. Now we'll come to next, that is quick quiz. Quick quiz of this chapter. When an entire species or a type of animal dies out, that species become extinct. That I've told you in the beginning only, that once all the animals of that particular kind that will be finished, तो हम उसको extinct बोलते हैं, like dinosaur. Now dinosaur you can see in the movies, you can find it out in the stories, but now it is not present. So that is dinosaur which is completely extinct from the earth. Now next is the dodo, and then the third picture is of mammoth. These all are the species which are getting extinct. Now, just now children, I have talked about global warming and how your water cycle works, और global warming का उसमें क्या impact होता है, that we will see in our next page, in our next topic of today. So let's start children. Water for life. Now water for life is very important. If I'll talk about what is the importance of water, so I don't think that I require to explain why this water is important. See, if you will not get water for 10 days, then what will happen? If you will not get food for 10 days, might be you can survive, but if you will not get water for 10 days, you cannot survive. Now the water on earth is constantly recycled. जो धरती पे पानी है, that is recycling again and again. It falls on the land as rain and snow, in the form of rain and in the form of snow. It is coming on the earth. Then it is carried by the river or groundwater to the oceans, from where there is a rise as water vapor and falls back on earth again. This process is called water cycle. Now this whole process is called water cycle, how water is getting recycled on the earth, that we have seen. Now this picture of water cycle we will see, and then we will understand what is water cycle. See, first of all, water in the form of rain comes on the earth, fine. In the form of rain, in the form of snow, it comes on the earth. Then from Himalayas, when this snow and this rainwater comes into the river, they will go into, from the river they are going into oceans. These Himalayas, that snow from Himalaya, they will getting melt, and then that water will comes into rivers, and after that those rivers, that water from river will get evaporated. It will get evaporated due to the heat of sun, and then they will be evaporated, and then it will be forming and evaporated, and again they will be forming cloud, they will condense due to height. Now what happened in the case of global warming? Global warming, this water will, this rain will become less. When rain will become less, snow will become less, and the temperature of the earth will get increased, and that particular kind of water, particular form of water like snow, if the animals, those who are surviving in snow, they did not get that particular amount of water, and they have to move from there, or they are getting extinct. Just now I have seen an example of polar bear. They were also not getting such particular kind of environment so that they can survive. So they were getting extinct. So that is their so this is an example of, now by looking at the picture, see here rain is coming, and at the meantime, at the same time, snowfall is also there on Himalayas. That snow will melt and that water will come into river, and from river and ocean that water will get evaporated and forming cloud by condensation, and then again it will come on the earth in the form of precipitation. So that is your water cycle. So we will read it out about water cycle once again, and then we will do the quick quiz. Now the water on earth is constantly recycled. The water on earth is constantly recycled. It falls on the land as rain and snow. Then it is carried by the rivers. Means this precipitation, now this first process is falls on the land as rain and snow, that is precipitation. Then it is carried by river or groundwater to the oceans. Now ocean is a huge body of water. So rivers, different small big rivers, they will extended up to oceans, they will meet in oceans. From there it rises as water vapor and falls back on earth again. Now this process is called the water cycle. ये complete process जो है that is called water cycle. Now let's come to quick quiz. Fill in the blank. The water on the earth is constantly what? The first line, that is recycled, constantly recycled. RECYCLED. Already we have done. So there we are going to revise it. The water on earth is constantly recycled. What happened if that water stopped recycling? Can you live on earth? No. you required a sufficient amount of water to survive. But if the sufficient amount of water you will not get it, you cannot survive on the earth. Number 2, the water of the sea is what kind of a water? In the sea and ocean we will get salty water, and so cannot be used for drinking. We cannot use that water for our daily need. Now water falls on land as rain and snow. Now here children, I am going to take few words. Evaporation, when water changes into water vapor, that is called evaporation. And then they will form cloud by getting cooler. They will forming cloud, that is called condensation. And after condensation they will come on the earth in the form of rain and snow by the process that is called precipitation. Now this process is called precipitation. Precipitation. So now children, what we are going to, what we have done, what we have revised till now, endangered animals, why the animals are getting endangered, that we have seen. After that, what are the reason of getting endangered, like due to illegal hunting, cutting of forest, all these are the quite main reason that why the animals are getting extinct. Then we have seen that basic requirement of our life is water. How water is recycled on earth, through the water cycle we understood. So here we have water cycle, and in your book you will mark this process. Now this coming evaporating due to the heat of sun, that is evaporation. Condensing and forming cloud, that is condensation. And then coming on the earth again in the form of rain and snow, that is precipitation. 3 words I have taken: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Evaporation, evaporating water or changing water into water vapor due to heat of sun, that is water evaporation. Then we have condensation, condensing and forming cloud, that is condensation. Then precipitation. Precipitation means coming back on the earth in the form of water. So that is precipitation. And water and snow, that is precipitation. So that is there. And then we have done a quick quiz related to water cycle. And what is water cycle? Again we will revise one last time. This all process also you will remember, that the water on the earth is constantly recycled and it falls on the land as a form, in the form of rain and snow. Now this water is carried by river and groundwater to the oceans. From there it rises as water vapor and falls back on earth again. Now this process is called the water cycle. So children, I hope today we have done 2 topics, and these 2 topics have been clear to you all, and all the current affair questions, like president, prime minister, what is happening recently, that all things you will remember. Okay, now one thing, that right now in which state election is going on, and that is in Bihar. In Bihar election is going on. So different rallies also you can see, and I hope the topics which we have done today, like endangered animal and water for life, that is clear to you all. And I am going to finish our class here. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.